Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most powerful gaming laptops ever created, the Alienware 18 Area-51 gaming laptop. Before we dive in, hit that link in the description to grab the Alienware 18 Area-51 today at the best discounted price available. Personal computer emoji. What is the Alienware 18 Area-51? This isn't your average gaming laptop. The Alienware 18 is a desktop replacement powerhouse, built for elite gamers, streamers, and creators who want nothing but the best in performance, display quality, and futuristic design. From AAA gaming at ultra settings to high-performance multitasking and AI workloads, the Area-51 18 can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Gear emoji. Key features. White checkmark emoji, 18 WQXGA, 2560 by 1600 300 Hz 3 milliseconds display. Enjoy ultra-fast visuals with buttery smooth gameplay and ultra-sharp resolution, perfect for competitive gaming and creative work. White checkmark emoji, Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor. A high-performance beast with up to 24 cores, designed to crush any workload, from 4K video editing to real-time ray tracing games. White checkmark emoji, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics, laptop GPU the latest and greatest from NVIDIA. Game in 4K, max settings, with DLSS 3.5, ray tracing, and AI-enhanced visuals that redefine realism. White checkmark emoji, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 2x16GB massive multitasking power with fast DDR5 memory, great for streaming, video editing, and running multiple apps or tabs. White checkmark emoji, 1TB Gen 4 and SSD. Blazing fast storage for lightning-fast boot times, load screens, and enough space for all your top-tier titles and apps. White checkmark emoji, advanced cryotech cooling. Alienware's legendary cooling system with vapor chamber, quad fans, and smart heat zoning, keeping thermals under control even in marathon sessions. White checkmark emoji, AlienFX RGB keyboard and lighting. Fully customizable per key RGB, iconic Alienware lighting zones, and premium tactile feel for those late-night grind sessions. White checkmark emoji, all the I/O you need. USB-C, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, SD card reader, Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, you name it, it's got it. Video game emoji, real-world performance. The Alienware Area-51 18 demolishes modern AAA games like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, and Forza Motorsport, all on ultra settings with ray tracing enabled. The 300 Hz refresh rate is a dream for competitive FPS games like Valorant, Apex Legends, or CS2. Every frame is sharp, fluid, and responsive. It also shines in creative workflows, from 4K video rendering to AI model training, thanks to its powerhouse CPU/GPU combo and thermal headroom. Brain emoji, who is this for? The Alienware 18 Area-51 is built for pro gamers who demand high refresh rates and top-tier graphics. Streamers and YouTubers who need raw editing and rendering power. Designers and 3D artists working in Blender, Unreal Engine, or Adobe Suite. Tech enthusiasts who want the best portable gaming machine. Anyone wanting to replace a high-end desktop with a fully loaded laptop. Star emoji, final rating, 5/5, pros, black checkmark emoji, insanely powerful Intel Ultra 9 Plus RTX 5080 combo black checkmark emoji, stunning 18 inches 300 Hz WQXGA display black checkmark emoji, excellent cooling and build quality black checkmark emoji, loads of RAM and fast SSD storage black checkmark emoji. RGB customization and premium design black checkmark emoji, packed with ports and connectivity. Cons, multiplication sign emoji, on the heavier side, not exactly ultra portable, multiplication sign emoji, premium price tag, but justified by the performance, multiplication sign emoji, battery life is solid but not amazing, this is a performance-first machine. Shopping cart emoji, final verdict. The Alienware 18 Area-51 gaming laptop is not for casual users, it's a serious powerhouse for elite-level gaming and content creation with cutting-edge components, a 300 Hz display, and a design that turns heads. This laptop redefines what mobile gaming can be. Right pointing finger emoji, Click the link below to get the Alienware 18 Area 51 gaming laptop at the best deal available right now. If you want the absolute best, this is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Game hard, stay sharp. Personal computer emoji, video game emoji, fire emoji.